You know, people underestimate the power of stories. So it's when we remember people's names and people's stories that we remember them. When we continue to tell their stories, they never die. So, in the same way that Ifa is the most vast corpus of ancient indigenous knowledge, it's also a composite of more than 200,000 stories. Stories that were carried in the minds of ancient Babalaos and Iyanifas, who, at the same time, the Europeans who were trying to convince us were not intelligent, they were carrying these thousands of stories in their brains. So while we're being told that so called literacy is the mark of intelligence, what we need to remember is that when we write these stories down, we've instantly antiquated them. But when we carry them in our minds and in our mouths, they stay alive forever. So by continuing to chant the stories of Ifa, continuing to remember the travails of our ancestors, continuing to cast Ifa in times of celebration and times of tribulation, we're not only learning how to organize our life in accordance with the spirit world, we're making a connection with all the people since time immemorial who have been in a similar situation, who have had a similar encounter with Ifa, done similar sacrifices to reach a similar good result. So not only are we connecting with the ancestral realm in a general way, we're making a very clear and straight line connection with everybody else who has ever chanted or cast or received that same divination.
Okay.
And when
Um,
I say people, I don't just mean human people. I'm talking about the anthropomorphized cosmos of Ifa. So those people include rivers, lakes, streams, oceans, trees, flowers, rocks, all natural things.